Favoto Folding Electric Bike. The answer to commuting chaos and outdoor adventures. Tired of exhausting commutes, unreliable public transport, or clunky bikes that fail to keep up with your lifestyle? The quest for a perfect ride seems endless, something compact, powerful, and versatile enough to tackle urban streets and weekend trails. Enter the Favoto Folding Electric Bike. A game-changer built to solve your every commuting woe. With a robust 400-watt motor, 600-watt peak, and a foldable design, this e-bike promises freedom, speed, and convenience. But can one bike truly do it all? Buckle up, the answer is just a ride away. Imagine gliding effortlessly over hills and rough terrain without breaking a sweat. The Favoto e-bike's powerful motor, paired with its 48-volt 10.4 ampere-hour removable battery, provides the stamina to conquer over 25 miles on a single charge. Its multiple suspension system smooths out every bump, turning challenging rides into enjoyable journeys. Forget struggling to climb inclines or dealing with jarring shocks. This bike delivers an unmatched riding experience designed to save you time, energy, and frustration. Worried about safety, durability, or weather conditions? Favoto has you covered. UL certified for quality and safety, this bike ensures reliability even in the harshest conditions. The dual-disc brakes offer precision stopping power, while the intuitive LCD screen keeps you informed of speed, battery life, and assist levels. These thoughtful features don't just make the ride better, they make it safer, allowing you to focus on the joy of the journey without distractions. Space-saving and easy to assemble, the Favoto Folding Electric Bike fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. Its lightweight aluminum frame and compact folding design make storage a breeze, whether in your apartment or car trunk. Assembly is hassle-free, with 90% of the work already done for you. Equipped with all the necessary tools, a manual, and video instructions, you'll be on the road in minutes. Say goodbye to assembly headaches and hello to effortless fun. The search for the perfect bike ends here. The Favoto Folding Electric Bike combines premium materials, advanced features, and affordability to deliver unbeatable value. It outperforms competitors in versatility, power, and style while keeping your wallet happy. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or exploring the great outdoors, this bike is the ultimate solution to your transportation problems. Why wait? The ride of your life is just a fold away.